I'm Ali Garibay, a painter and cultural worker based in Alfonso, Cavite.
Hi, I'm Michael Delmo. I'm a painter, sculptor, and also based here in Alfonso, Cavite.
Praxis Lucis or light practice pertains to our studio practice, painting. So painting is a meditation, a contemplation that reveals insight layer by layer, step by step, day by day.
So it's really about yung practice, the discipline, and coming to the studio, keeping that rhythm. Exhibiting as husband and wife, the concept also extends to the practice of homemaking, letting light guide us to see what's important and to let go of unnecessary things. So keep it light.
So sa akin naman yung Praxis Lucis, ginamit ko yung light as guide, balance, and also transformative na approach. So basically, bakit guide? Dahil yung light, of course, hindi ka makakagawa pag walang ilaw. So in a way, parang may revelation dun sa process dahil, of course, during the process, pag malinaw, nababalance mo yung processes mo mismo and nagkakaroon ka ng, in a way, awakening at the same time during the process mismo kung paano mo siya ibabalance, ita-transform yung ginagawa mo, yung practice mo mismo, and also yung day-to-day mo, mga personal na challenges. So, yeah, Praxis Lucis, so ginamit ko ang light again to as a guide, as a method, as a guide, and also ma-extend ko sa practice ko mismo, and also outside sa practice ko rin.
So subject of our works or of my works for this exhibit are feminine figures, religious and feminine and spiritual forms inspired by religious figures, iconography, and archival Filipiniano photos. Pero this time, hinayaan ko na yung layers and the translucent way I use the paint. Hinayaan ko siya yung mag-reveal ng images. Parang quiet revelations. Yeah.
Sa akin naman yung mga subject is from maximalist to minimalist. So, in a way, parang introspective yung approach ko since na it's my personal practice and personal ko siyang approach mismo. And magandang yung exhibition na to para sa akin dahil parang nagamit ko siya as transformative mismo na method mismo to execute yung personal kong engagement and yung seeking din dun sa deeper ng personality ko kung ano pa yung pwede kong i-develop din. So minimalist, no, kaya siya may bag din sa likuran. So yung bag ay lalagyan ng identity mo mismo, ng mga important things mo sa journey. And mabigat siya at malaki yung bag niya sa likuran. At dahil nakapikit siya, parang in a way nagiging magaan dahil alam niya may in a way light from inside dahil yung mga realization niya na nabibigit naman siya sa journey, but at the same time pagdating niya dun sa pupuntahan niya, madali na lang dahil equipped na siya ng mga bagay na dala-dala niya or yung mga experience niya mismo. So madaling for me yung extension ng realization nun is madaling i-claim yung title pagiging artist, but at the same time yung responsibility na sa likuran mabigat. So yes, yung may kanya-kanya tayong personal mga challenges, kung anong personal na yung kung anong challenges mo yun. So yeah, ganun yung approach ko dito sa exhibit. Kaya ulitin nga maganda yung naging kalalabasan ng experience ko sa exhibition dahil invitan ko ng sarili ko to more and to learn about myself and also dun sa practice mismo. So, punta kayo.